students, in previous video we had seen the defactorization formula. So there are 4 defactorization formula, right? 2 are derived from sin a plus b and sin a minus b, and the remaining 2 were derived from cos a plus b and cos a minus b. Now in this video we are going to see the example based on defactorization formula. So class, first defactorization formula is 2 sin a cos b. So 2 sin a cos b, that is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Second defactorization formula was 2 cos a sin b, that is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Third defactorization formula was 2 cos a cos b, that is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. And fourth defactorization formula was 2 sin a sin b, that is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Now let us see the example. So example 1 is, if 2 cos 70 degree into sin 50 degree is equal to sin a minus sin b, then find a and b. Okay. Now 2 cos a sin b, this is given in the form of 2 cos a into sin b, right? And that is equal to sin a minus sin b, means multiplication form is given and we have to convert this in subtraction form, right? So for that, defactorization formula is, that is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, right? Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay. So first 2 cos 70 degree into sin 50 degree, that is equal to sin a minus b, right? After applying defactorization formula on left hand side, this one defactorization formula on left hand side, we get sin a plus b, right? Sin a plus b. A is 70 degree, b is 50 degree. So sin 70 plus 50 minus sin a minus b. So minus sin 70 minus sin 50 degree, that is equal to sin a plus b. Right hand side as it is. So 70 plus 50 means 120 degree, and 70 minus 50 means 20 degree. So what I am getting, sin 120 degree minus sin 20 degree, that is equal to sin a minus sin b. So by comparing these two terms, left hand side and right hand side, what I am getting, a is equal to 120 degree and b is equal to 20 degree. Okay, clear? 2 sin 70 degree into sin 50 degree is given. Exactly, it is given in the form of 2 cos a into sin b, and that is equal to, by defactorization formula, that is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay, so I have to use this formula. So by using this formula, I will get the right exactly in form of right hand side, means sin 120 degree minus sin 20 degree, that is equal to sin a minus sin b. So from the equality, by equating these two terms, we get a is equal to 120 degree and b is equal to 20 degree. Okay. And next type of sum, this is the next type of sum. In this, what is given, without using calculator, prove that cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree is equal to 1 upon 60. So how to solve this? So first let us take the left hand side. So left hand side is cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. Okay, so that is equal to, now we know the value of cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2, right? So 1 upon 2 into, now what I am taking? I am taking these two terms, cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree. So cos A into cos B, but we need 2, right? Formula is 2 cos A cos B. So what I am going to do? I am going to multiply with 2 and dividing by 2. Okay, clear? This 1 upon 2 is this. Okay, cos 60 ka value is 1 upon 2. Okay, and here what I am doing? I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Clear? Once again, I am taking this 1 upon 2 outside. Then I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Okay, so the term is 1 upon 2 into 2 cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree. These two terms are cos 20 into cos 40, and cos 80 will remain as it is. Okay, now this is 2 cos A cos B, right? So 2 cos A cos B formula, that is equal to this 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 will be 1 upon 4, right? Now 2 cos A cos B, that will be a cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, right? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Then into cos 80 as it is. I am taking this cos 80 as it is, no change. Okay, I am just applying formula of 2 cos A cos B. Okay, once again, see 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 will be 1 upon 4. Then what I am doing? I am applying the formula of 2 cos A into cos B. So that is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, now cos 60 plus cos minus 20 degree. But cos minus theta is cos theta, so that will be a cos 20 degree only, right? Here what I am getting? I am getting cos minus 20 degree, but cos minus theta is cos theta only from negative angle formula. So cos minus 20 will be cos 20 only. So what I am getting? Cos 60 plus cos 20. Okay, into cos 80 degree as it is. Okay, now multiply the whole term, this bracket, with 1 upon 4 and cos 80 degree. So that is equal to, first I am multiplying the bracket with cos 80 degree. So that is equal to cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 into cos 80 degree plus cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Okay, now taking this, now the next is, this will be 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. What I am doing? I am multiplying the, in bracket I am multiplying the term with 2. Okay, and similarly I am dividing this term with 2, like this. I am multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2. So what I will get? 2 into 1 upon 2 cos 80 degree plus 2 into cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree, and here it will be 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. So I will get 1 upon 8. Okay, so 1 upon 8, these 2 cancel, into cos 80 degree plus again 2 cos A cos B. So again I have to apply 2 cos A cos B formula. So that is equal to cos 20 plus 80 degree plus cos 20 minus 80 degree. Okay, see once again 2 cancel. So what I am getting? Cos 80 degree. Then plus 2 cos A cos B formula. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. So that is equal to cos 80 degree as it is plus 20 plus 80, that is equal to cos 100 degree. Then cos 20 minus 80 means cos minus 60 degree. But cos minus theta is cos theta. So cos minus 60 degree will be a simply cos 60 degree. Okay. So that is equal to cos 60 degree. And value for cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now cos 80 degree plus this 100 degree. 100 degree can be written as 2 into 90 degree minus 80 degree. Right? Allied angle formula form. So 100 can be written as 2 into 90 means 180 minus 80. Okay. Plus cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. So in next step, what I am getting? Cos 80 degree as it is. This cos 180 minus 80, that will be a minus cos 80 degree from allied angle formula. Here I am using allied angle formula. N is 2 means N is even. Even means no change. So cos will be a cos only. Right? So cos 80 degree. 180 minus means cos will lies in second quadrant. Theta will lies in second quadrant. So second quadrant cos is negative. So minus cos 80 degree plus cos 60 degree. Now cos 80 degree minus cos 80 degree cancel. And cos 60 degree value is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 8 into 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 16. And that is equal to right hand side. Okay. So these are the example where we are using defactorization formula. So defactorization formula is used to convert multiplication to, see here it is multiplication form, cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree, and from multiplication we are converting into addition or subtraction form. For that we are using defactorization formula. Okay. So with this I am concluding this video. In next video we can see the next part. So thank you students.